This is the solution to the Java MOOC course Java programming. First part, programming exercise 5:14 named books. The programming exercise asks us that there is a program in the Excel space that asks for books from the user and adds them to a list. Okay, modify the program so that the books that are already on the list are not added to it again. Two books should be considered the same if they have the same name and publication year. So if they have the same name and publication year, then they will be equal, right? Name empty will stop. So we have Bossy Pants, publication year 2013. Seriously, I'm kidding. Publication year 2012. Name empty will stop. Seriously, I'm kidding. Publication year 2012. So the book is already on the list. Let's not add the same book again. Name empty will stop. Thank you, books added 2. So this is the code that is provided for us for testing. So first of all, don't alter the line below. We are not allowed to alter this line right here, right? Let's go into our book. So in main Java we have been already provided this. So here scanner is already imported, array list is already important, so books array list is created, right? While true, okay, even the while loop is given here. Name empty will stop. String name scanner dot next line. If name dot is empty, it will break and it will come out of the while statement. Now system out.println publication year, and the user will input publication year, and we are using integer.value of the string that's been provided in the output console screen. Now book, so we are creating object of type book. This is the book class we have here, and book class basically takes string name and an integer of publication year. So new book name and publication year is provided, and books.addBook is performed. Now all we have to do is, before adding the book, we need to check if our list already has that object or not. So we are basically comparing objects here in our list, right? So for that, what we are gonna do is, we have learned that we can check the values in a list using the method contains, and contains is somehow similar to our equals method, or it also implements the equals method. So all we have to do is, if let's go into so yeah, the book is already on the list. Let's not add this same book again. Thank you, books added 2. So we have to write this line. The book is already on the list. Let's not add that to that is, so let me paste it here for the timing. If our list name is books dot contains, what does it contain? Book. This book right here. If it already contains that, we are gonna print the book is already on the list. Full stop. Let's not add the same book again, right? If this happens, this, else we're adding the books to our, we're adding this object to our array list. And after that, we are simply gonna create a public boolean equals method, right? That takes object compared, and first condition, if this equals compared then we're gonna return true, right? If not compared instance of book, then we are returning false, right? Otherwise we are creating book compared book is equals to, we're gonna type cost book compared, and then compared, right? After that, all we're going to do is if this dot name dot equals compared book dot name, and this dot publication year. So publication year, it is of type integer, so compared dot compared book dot publication. Yeah, I think, yep, that's the way. If that's true, I'm gonna return true. Otherwise here we are returning full statement, since this is a boolean. So we have main.java. Well, let's try and run this code. I hope everything is going according to the plan. First of all, empty will stop. So first of all, let's go Bossy Pants 2013. Seriously, I am kidding. Bossy Pants. B-O-S-S-Y, Bossy Pants. Publication year 2013. Seriously, dot 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 dot. Seriously, I am kidding. So I am kidding. Publication, let's make it 2012, and seriously dot dot dot, I am kidding. 12, it says the book is already on the list. Let's not add the same book again. Stop. Let's stop this. Thank you, books added too. Let's try and submit this and see if we get any errors or not. As we can see, all stuff posted on the server. If there are any questions, you can ask me down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.